Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete my Facebook account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to scroll down. Okay, then you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to search for delete. Okay, click on delete profile and information, and here you need to select delete account. Click on continue to account deletion. Okay, and click on continue, and here you can select any reason. So I'm going to select I spend too much time on Facebook. Okay, click on continue to account deletion, and here you need to scroll down, click on delete account, and here you need to enter your password. Once you enter your password, then you need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, your account will be deleted for I think 30 days, and after that, if you do not log in 30 days, then your account will be deleted permanently. So this is a process by which you can delete account on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.